Hi Aries and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how month of August 2021 is going to be for you. And month of August 2021 is the month of contemplation. It's a month of thinking. It's a month of creating, but first creating in your head. Whatever you create in your head will actually be your reality. This is the month where you can actually self-sabotage. You can actually do wrong things to yourself, or you can reach your goal. So it totally depends upon how do you want to move forward in this month. If you get into any mode where you are thinking negative, where you are worrying about things, where you are not moving positively, where you are not in a positive direction, then you will attract a lot of negativity and you will attract a lot of negative circumstances or situations in your life. But if you are into that positive energy where you are only thinking positive, you are thinking about your goal, you are working towards your goal, you are juggling, but you are still open to let things happen in your life, you will definitely reach your goal. And whatever you deserve, no matter how people are around you, whatever you deserve will come your way. So your readiness to whatever you are ready, that's going to come into your life this month. That's the energy of the month. If we talk about your health, I would say this month rest is going to be very, very important. So first and foremost, rest is very important this month. Second, take care of your balance. So that's another thing that I see on your cards. Shoulder and neck could be a little problematic, but take care of your balance as well. Wherever you're standing, wherever you're walking, take care of your balance. Your energies needs to be balanced. Your spine needs to be balanced. That's very important this month. Also, if you are dealing with fire in any way, and when I'm saying fire, like even if when you're cooking and everything, be a little careful, because I can see some fire related accident or something with the fire that can go wrong. So just take precautions. This is avoidable, totally avoidable. Take precautions, take care of yourself, be a little more conscious, and things will go fine. Mental health this month, you might get into that zone of thinking nothing works for me, nothing works out, nothing is happening in my life. If you do that, you are going into self-sabotaging mode. Don't go into that mode this month. This month has a lot of potential for you if you actually stay positive. So that's mental health is going to be very important this month as well. If we talk about your wealth or money, there is the card of Two of Pentacles, but with Two of Pentacles I see a Sun card as well. So money wise, there could be a little juggling. There is a possible, and there is Six of Pentacles as well, but the way the Six of Pentacles is presented here is little different. But the cards basically are saying that there could be some juggling in terms of money. There could be budgeting that will be required, but at the same time, know that what you deserve will come your way. Don't be deceitful. That's going to be very important. Second, you will have to be open. So you'll not have to be focused upon what is not working out, what investment did not work. Another thing, like I said, self-sabotaging. So this month, don't get into that zone with regards to money, or this investment is not working out for me, let me pull it back, let me just take the loss whatever is coming on it, and let me just so basically what you're going to do is you're going to actually get yourself into bigger losses. So that is why this month, don't waste the resources or the things by your own self. This is very important this month, because if you see, there is this one cup that is fallen down, another cup she herself is pouring down all the water, and she needs it, she wants it, but because one is fell, she is getting into that zone that let me throw others also, because one is already fell. Don't get into that zone. And second, don't think that what you deserve will go to somebody else, because this person is hiding something. So if you are hiding something, if you are into a negative energy, then whatever results that you are thinking of, whatever things that you are thinking of will not come your way. So this person is projecting as if he doesn't have any money, and he's wanting this woman to give this flower to her, but she is giving it to the one who is giving her the money. So whatever you deserve is going to come your way for sure. And that is why this month, whatever you put in, you're going to get results out of it. So thus, just be positive in terms of money, and also you will receive help. So keep yourself a little open. That's very important this month. In terms of love and relationships, this month is a month where you need to focus more on yourself, contemplate, think about your things, think about what you want, think about how you are connected with yourself, think about your goals, think about your past, think about what is not healed, think about where you go negative, think about how can you start a new beginning for yourself, a new life for yourself, think about where can you make yourself mentally stronger, think about how other people are around you, what is your power, what is your energy, what is your positivity, what is your goal, how can you move ahead in that. This month is to focus on yourself first. Second, this is the month where your communication is very important, and the way you speak and what you speak is going to be very important. So if you want to say something, if you are feeling like angry, upset, don't say it, then rest, sleep over it, and then express yourself or communicate with more balanced way. That's going to be very important if you want to save your relationships. So, third, if somebody is coming back to you because there's a possibility of a relationship, like a rebound of a relationship, or also a new relationship coming your way, like a communication coming your way. So you might have been waiting, you might have proposed somebody and waiting for that person to respond, and the response might come. You might have been waiting for a proposal to come to you, that proposal might come, but that proposal or the response will only come if you are open for it. If you have closed your door and if you are thinking about what did not work out, how will this communication come to you? So leave yourself open, leave your doors open, leave your mind open, check your communications. If you block somebody and you think that person is not responding, it won't happen because you've blocked that person. So don't block anybody in the sense, in literal sense, and in otherwise, don't block anybody who you want you to kind of heal your emotions with. Otherwise, in terms of relationships, also be careful about people who are around you. If there is somebody who's deceitful, if there is somebody who's doing something wrong, and the person can only be will only be able to harm you if you are harming yourself. So if the person, if there is some kind of a loss that has happened to you, and then you are like, okay, this is lost, let me put this also, throw this also away, then there is loss. So if somebody has said something to you and you think that, oh, you know, already this relationship is over, so let me take out my bhadas also, whatever is in my mind, let me speak that out also. So that relationship might not be over, but after you speak and after you be angry and upset about it, then it might get over. So if you want something to survive, if you want a relationship to survive, be into balanced energy, be into balanced emotions. That's going to be very important this month. Look at everything, see everything, juggle with things, but don't say anything when you are not prepared. The communication is going to be the key of relationships this month. If you're planning to have a baby, I would say don't go for it this month. Maybe rest, work on your physical health and everything, and then go for it. If you're already pregnant, then take care of yourself, take good rest. Don't overexert yourself, and don't do anything that you should not. Don't eat anything that you should not. Don't drink anything that you should not. And especially, you know, if you have done it once, don't do it like already it is done, so let me do it again. So don't do it. That's self-sabotaging. Don't do anything that's self-sabotaging. If you are by chance in your last month, 9th month, then ensure that you have people around you, because the water bag might just get burst. So there is I see something happening, and there need to be people around you who can carry you to hospital. So just ensure that you have people around you all the time. You're not alone, and you're not overburdening yourself. Otherwise everything will go fine. There is light here. Ultimately there is meeting the goal, so everything will go fine, and everything will have go towards the right way. So you will have a healthy child. If we talk about work, if we talk about job or career, from the job and career perspective, if you don't have a job, this is the month where there is a possibility of an opportunity coming your way. Now if you are sleeping over that opportunity, if you're not responding because you think that does not match with your goal, or if you want that communication to be even more clearer, or if you think that, you know, this person did not gel well with me, he did something wrong at that point in time, so let me also not respond to that person, then again that's a self-sabotaging attitude. So keep yourself competitive, look at opportunities, don't miss any of your communications, look at what were your goals, and opportunities will flow this month for you. If you're already into a job and you think that what you deserve goes to somebody else, and you know things don't happen, you don't get the growth that you deserve, don't go into that zone, don't think into that zone, because you will get what you deserve. And if at all, you know, there's a growth that somebody else has gotten, and if you think that that person doesn't deserve it, don't say anything bad, don't spoil your relationships, don't burn your bridges, because there is something better that is coming your way. But like I said, this month what you think is what you create, so don't think anything negative this month. And communication, don't say anything bad this month, keep yourself open, because there is something better that is coming your way this month in terms of job, in terms of job, in terms of opportunities, in terms of growth. There is something better that is coming your way this month. Little juggling maybe for first 2 weeks of the month, but ultimately things will work out fine, and you will reach the goals that you have created for yourself. If we talk about students, from students perspective, I would say rest is going to be very important. Thinking about your goals again, what you wanted to do, how you wanted to do that, being competitive again is going to be very important. If you need help, ask for help, ask for support. If there is anything that has gone wrong, don't sabotage yourself further, don't do wrong by yourself further, and don't think that you know, what you deserve will not come to you. It will definitely come to you, and you will definitely see positive results of your hard work. Also, just be a little careful about other people around you and their intentions, and don't do anything that you should not be doing. Okay. If we talk about soul path or soul growth, there is sun card, and sun is the card of new energy. It's a card of positivity. It's a card of being more positive, being your own light, because if you see, there is a sun here, but the sunflowers are not looking at the sun. So the sunflowers have created their own light, and that's the card, that's the energy this month, that be your own light. So this month, ensure that you're all the time positive, you are all the time thinking positive, because what you create is what you think is what you create. What you think is what will happen in your life. So think about that. So be careful with that, and that's your soul growth also, because if you learn to think positive, if you learn to be positive in negative circumstances or positions also, that's when your soul actually grows. If we talk about color, number of the month is going to be number 1 and number 10. So there is completion and there is new beginning. Again, the completion and new beginning will come only when you actually let it happen. So this month, it is all in your hands. Also, there are a lot of messages or communications that are going to come in your way this month. So please, you know, sit back and check everything. Don't miss any communications. Chakra of the month this month, I will give you solar plexus chakra. Solar plexus chakra is the fire energy, the passion. It is your will, and that is going to be very important this month. And also, because there's sun card, it kind of relates there. And color of the month, yellow color is going to be the best for you this month. That's a color of passion. If we talk about your mental exercise of the month or affirmation of the month, the card is rising above. It says, I see only beauty and grace. That's what you need to see. You need to see only beauty and grace in everything that you do this month, and the more you do that, the more you attract that. The surrender message of the month says surrender stubbornness. It says, if you are tensing up or taking a rigid stance about something, gently observe yourself and become more yielding. This will help you communicate with more lovingly with others and with yourself. If you say this person has actually closed herself into the darkness, into the door, because somebody is not listening to what she wants to say, but if you listen to the other person, at times what you want can actually come to you. So be more yielding, be more loving. Don't get into that energy of being stubborn this month. The wisdom message for you this month is serendipity, is card number 18, and 18 is number 9. And like I said, this month bringing you 10 and 1. So serendipity is going to be there, and serendipity is when what you see is what you bring in your life, and the goal meets the manifestation. You manifest things, or if you see things happening, the nature makes you see things happening. This card basically says that opportunity allied with readiness. When you are ready, opportunity will come your way. The awareness of synchronicity, luck and good fortune appearing as signs and symbols, a magical alignment of events. So this card says that you are aligned for something good, something better. You are the channel to get the higher energy to you. You can see the miracles. Everything in your fortune will come your way. In terms of relationship also, the right people, the right things, the right situations will appear at the right time. In terms of job also, or work also, you will be grateful because right things or victory and success will be yours. But this will only happen if you see it, if you are ready to see it, if you are positive, if you actually look at signs, if you actually notice the positive signs. And that is why this month is a month where you have to be positive, you have to think positive, and you have to be positive all the time. And I will take out one live card also for you guys. And if you want to know more than this, you can contact me through the Facebook link that's in the description box, or through the comment section. You just have to write, I need my reading. I will share my number, will take it forward from there. And my channel has a lot of videos that can help you with a lot of other things. So please go to the playlist, and whatever resonates with you, whatever you think is useful, please watch that and share it with others as well, because the basic intention of the channel is to help people. So let's see what is the message for Aries, month of August 2021. Okay, I'm going to read all of those for you, but the first message is gentleness. Second message is go with the flow. Third message is memories. Fourth is ask for help. Fifth is decisions, and sixth is contemplation. So basically, if I put all these messages together, the cards are saying that gently contemplate your decisions that you have made, and then when you go into your memories, look at them positively, let the flow happen, and ask for help with gentleness, and you will see everything working out in your life. And like I said, this is a month where you will think about what your goals were, what were the things that you wanted to happen in your life and all of that. So contemplation is going to happen this month, but if you look at that positively and if you work on that in a positive manner, if you approach right people in the right way, if you help right people in the right way, everything is going to flow into your life, and this month can give you a lot of positivity and a lot of good new starts and completions also. So I hope this month brings a lot of goodness, good things to you, a lot of good fortune to you. All the very best. If you like the video, please share it with others. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.